Come here, Mally. Oh, Kerplunk, stand up. Mallory, come here. Come here. No, it's okay. Come here. You made it. Yay! Say, I can walk. I'm a big girl. I'm a big girl. Say, I'm a big girl. Ma? Mom? Go see Drew. Whoops! You okay? Whoopsie! Go see Drew. You gonna come back and see me now? Come here. Whoops! You're not so good at turns. Whoa! Hi! You gonna walk on your knees? Oh, it's hard to stand up by yourself. Go see Drew and stand up. Mally. Okay, you don't have to go fast. There you go. There you go. Ah! Good catch. Mally. Mal. Good job, baby. You're like a drunk sailor. Come on. Come on. That's a girl. That's a girl. Yay, Mally. Yay. Oh, she's coming back to see you, Drew. Mama, mama. Here she comes to see you. Oh, she's so tired. Y'all done walking, Mally? No, she's coming to see you. Oh, good job. Good catch. Mal, my mama's right here. Yay, Mally. Mama, mama. Mally. Hi. Mally. Mallory. Oh. Alrighty. Say bye-bye. Mal. Well, guys, turn it. Go see Avery. Yay, Avery.